You get it, Hattie. You can do it. Ready? Gotta keep it right here where Haddles can just barely reach it. And this is why Hadley will never learn to crawl. Are you ready? Show me. That's really good. Oh, no wonder. Good job, Hadley. Uh-huh. Well, that's probably good that you figured that out. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. Just a little bit closer. Oh, she can get it. Here, let's turn it around this way. Let's let Hadley do it. Let Hadley do it. There, she got it! Good job. Good job, Hadley. You're so sweet, Kyler. Ma, she got it.
Okay.
What are you doing? You want to get a picture? Picture with your sister? Say cheese. Hattie. What you doing? Hi. Well, how's that for a picture? Well, how's that for a picture, huh? There's a good one. One more picture. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Kyler! Oh, picture time. Good job. She said it. She said it. That's enough with the camera. 1, 2, 3. Picture. Cheese! You guys made me laugh. Cheese! Say it, Haddles. I love you guys. Cheese. You have a lot of ketchup on your mouth. It's okay. I still love you. I love it. Say hi. Xbox 360 player.
Ready?